Delay in submissions of report of the Economic Revival Committee has created apprehensions among the stakeholders of Sikkim. All the stakeholders of the state awaits the report eagerly. Earlier, to revive the state's economy that has been dented by the COVID-19 pandemic, a 5-member Economic Revival Committee was set up to suggest measures and revive Sikkim's economy. However, as per Sonam Wangchungpa, chairman of the Economic Revival Committee, says that the report is in final stage and will submit report within this week. Here's a report. The delay in submissions of reports of Economic Revival Committee has created apprehensions among the stakeholders of Sikkim. As per Sonam Wangchungpa, chairman of the Economic Revival Committee, the committee will submit its report within this week as it is in the final phase. It may be mentioned that Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang had set up a 5-member committee to suggest measures to revive the state's economy, which have been dented by the COVID-19 pandemic. BJP MLA Sonam Wangchungpa have been appointed as the chairman of the Economic Revival Committee, while CL Dingzongpa, financial and economic advisor to the Sikkim government, Mahendra P. Lama, chief economic advisor to the Sikkim government, and Karma R. Bongpo, district collector, as its members. VB Pathak, additional chief secretary of the finance department, has been made the member secretary of the committee and already had meeting with all the stakeholders, and they are to submit their report within 1 month. But the committee failed to complete the report. The committee was formed on 13 May 2020. Pasang Sherpa, a political activist, alleged the Economic Revival Committee has not prepared the report till date and questioned, unless they prepare economic report, how can they assess the loss and seeks moratorium?
This COVID situation, this economic situation will be so bad that we will have two options. Either we completely become servant or the slave, or we become the owner. So we have to see the apprehensions are there, but we are also giving the government the time for them to compile their report. So we are waiting for the report to come and see like which are the areas they have covered and which are the area they have left out. So accordingly, once the report is published, then apprehension also becomes public, because whichever area is not covered, whichever sector or the law or the policy is not covered, will come to the public domain. Then it will be easy for us also to comment.
Sherpa believes that the battle against coronavirus should not be politicized and hopes that the economic report has covered all aspects of the issues in regards to the economy. If not, will come up with a comprehensive report on socio-economic revivals and suggestions.
Certain central budgets has been cut off, and GST compensation, we did not get any compensation from the central government. And another problem is Chief Minister of Sikkim himself declared that he just got 16 crores for the entire COVID situation. So what he shows is like we have not been able to convince the central government, we have not been able to negotiate our way through with the central government as far as economic revival is concerned. So I hope all these issues from Companies Act to the GST to whatever issues we are facing in terms of economy, all these aspects have been covered. I hope so that the government has done that. If not, then that we also will come up with our own report.
Meanwhile, Naveen Kiran Pradhan, Vice Convener, Sikkim Subject Committee, said,
The Economic Revival Committee is powerless, and we hope nothing from the Economic Revival Committee. From the day one, my statement was that a large section of population of Sikkim, they are finding it very hard after so many months of lockdown. They are finding very hard to survive and live a livelihood. My statement even now would be it's a total failure, and we hope nothing from Economic Revival Committee, and this kind of committee should be immediately disbanded and this must be withdrawn.
Earlier, to revive the state's economy, which have been dented by the COVID-19 pandemic, political parties of Sikkim submitted Memorandum of Suggestions to Economic Revival Committee at Gangtok on 9 June. Member of Sikkim Democratic Front Party met Economic Revival Committee and submitted a 32-point memorandum with major focus in agriculture and rural citizens. Meanwhile, Hamro Sikkim Party's delegation submitted a memorandum with a focus on health system. With Deepak Gurung, Gangtok.